Hey, this is Corey, and if you're watching this, you're either interested in or trying out Teleprompter.me. Either way, thank you. In this video, I'm going to walk through the features of the current version and explain how to get the best results using the app. So right away, you can see that was a demo of the voice mode. We have two modes. You can either use your voice or you can use auto. So to demo auto, I'll go ahead and click restart. And then once you change it to auto, you're able to select the speed so you can go from fast to slow. And once I click start again, it'll automatically scroll the page. And you can either go slower or you can go faster. You also have things like alignment, so you can change the alignment here. And you can change it from left to centered. And for the size, you can go from huge to extra small. So I'll just go ahead and demo all those sizes. That's huge, large, medium, small, and then extra small. So I'll go ahead and reset it to large again. And one thing I want to mention too is that you can change the width. So using this icon here, if you make that wider, it'll make the script wider. If you make it smaller, it'll change the width and make the script smaller. And this is useful because you might run into an issue when you're trying to record with the camera. You might notice your eyes going from left to right. And that's something that is common when you use a lot of teleprompter apps. You can tell that the speaker is using a teleprompter. And this solves that because you can just change the width so that your eyes aren't going so far from left to right. So to continue, you have the option to choose a microphone. For me, I do a lot of recording, so I could use like my universal audio interface, Pro Tools interface, things like that. The next two features are pro features. So you can mirror and you can use a remote mode. If you mirror it, that's just flipping the text so that you can use it to be reflected off of a physical teleprompter device. And the next feature is remote mode. Remote mode allows you to open the script on another device, such as a phone or tablet, and control it from this page. So if I enable that, I'll get a QR code. And if I have a phone, I could scan that QR code. Or if I had like another device where I could just type, you can just send them or send this link to that device and open it from there. So to demo this, I'm going to use an iPhone simulator. And what I do here controls that browser. So for example, if I change the width, as I said before, it changes the width. And you don't have to be on the same Wi-Fi. You don't have to be on the same network. You could be, someone could be in a whole different state or another country. As long as they have this open, you'll be able to control the page. So you could do things like change the font size. So if I'm using this and I want to change it to huge, it changes it to huge on the phone as well. If I change it to small, it changes it to small. And I'll go ahead and demo the reading again, just so you can see that it scrolls along with it. I'll change it to medium. Hey, this is Corey. And if you're watching this, you're either interested in or trying out Teleprompter.me. Either way, thank you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the features of the current version and explain how to best get the results using the app. Oh, kind of misread that, but yeah, as you can see, it scrolls both. And yeah, so that's a demo of all the features that we have. I think there's some really powerful things for professionals and for beginner users. And yeah, let me know if you have any feedback. You can just shoot me an email or reach out to me. And yeah, peace.